Ezzat Tabbah and Sons Company is one of the pioneer establishment enterprises in the Middle East. Our company was established in 1924 to cover the Levant countries. His Majesty King Hussein, the late King of Jordan, awarded our company founder Mr. Fuad Tabbah the Jordan Planet Medal and the Industrial Shield Award twice. Through the years, Ezzat Tabbah and Sons Company participated in establishing several other companies and businesses in Jordan and other countries, such as the Ali Bank, and Industrial Development Company in Jordan, and Arab Textile Company in Egypt. We recently opened a new branch in Limassol, Cyprus, to carry the business of growing vegetables and exporting to Europe. We chose Cyprus to be our latest venue for our agricultural venture, for two major reasons: the arability of its soil, and the central location between Europe and the Middle East. Moreover, due to its temperate weather, Cyprus has the ability to produce vegetables even during winter when Europe would be blanketed in heavy snow and harsh weather conditions. We started with a land of 33,000 square meters in the most arable area in Limassol district, using the top-of-the-art system in greenhouse agriculture, with about 10,000 square meters greenhouse. We have our own water source to irrigate our produce. Our fresh agricultural products meet the best worldwide standards. Our team of experts in the agriculture are available for you to contact them during the normal business hours. Please check our website for contact references, address, and phone numbers.